Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and gathering tools. Plug in an OEM USB cable into the car's USB-A or USB-C port. Use wireless only if your head unit and phone both support it. On your phone, open Android Auto or Android Auto settings and grant permissions for contacts, messages, and location. Once done, accept prompts on the car display. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on the phone. This establishes the control channel for media and commands. Now you perform the core pairing and permission steps. On the Mercedes screen, choose Android Auto or smartphone integration. Your phone should show a pairing request. Tap Allow and confirm any PIN match. If wired, the phone will switch to Android Auto automatically. If wireless, follow the on-screen pairing and wait for connected status. Make sure to enable microphone and notification access so voice commands and messages work. Once connected, open Google Maps or Spotify to verify media and finish by testing core functions. Start navigation, make a call, use voice command with the steering wheel button and play music. If something fails, disconnect and reconnect. Try a different OEM cable or a different USB port in the car and reboot both devices. Make sure your phone's Android Auto app and the car's head unit firmware are updated. Software mismatches often cause problems. If wireless drops frequently, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off and on, then repair to restore a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.